Hello everyone, this is your crazy internet. This tiger is drinking water in public toilet. This dog doesn't know that there is a lion cub behind. A bird in Uganda is using the wind to hover with very less effort. A photographer found out a rare white lion cub in South Africa. It is estimated that there are only 15 of them.
First breed is the Doberman Pinscher. The Dobie is named after its developer Louis Doberman and appeared in Germany late last century. Originally, the Doberman was bred for fierceness, but our Dobie today is an exceptionally loyal and stable dog with strong protective instincts.
This cat is cuddling a baby. Is it cute? Comment down.
Алиса, да что ж такое-то? Слушай, ну как ты ее любишь-то, а? Ты смотри какая, а?
Ever heard a lion roar?